Students, today I'll be talking about how to make beautiful notes of the chapter The Reproductive System. So these notes I have taken from this particular book, most likely ICSE question bank for biology class 10 for 2024 examination. Now in this book you will have chapter wise and category wise chapter at a glance, word of advice by experts and previous year's board questions as well, and it is strictly based on latest syllabus. So let's start. So if you want to make the notes of reproductive system, okay, this is chapter at a glance, very beautifully they have made. So they have written the definition of reproductive system, what is reproduction, what is asexual and sexual, with small diagrams you can make here so that you remember this very well. Okay, flow chart like this, reproductive organs. So there they have given you all the male reproductive system, testes, ducts, accessory glands and supportive structure, that is penis. So here if you read, see, in points they have given everything. For example, if you talk about ducts, stores or transports the sperm to the exterior. Ducts of testis, epididymis, vasa deferens and ejaculatory duct. So in the pointers they have mentioned everything about the ducts, everything about the accessory glands, everything about this. So here, then spermatogenesis. Then there is female reproductive system. So in the box they have written important definitions. Then what is fertilization, what is gestation period, small diagrams to support your memory hooks. So these are the memory hooks. Here there are important terms, implantation. Okay, here you can see all these important terms. Then role of sex hormones in reproduction, a small note here. Then twins and its types, identical twins, fraternal twins, then difference between identical and fraternal twins. Okay. So very beautifully they've made the notes, so you can take the hint from here and make your own notes, your own memory hooks. So I would recommend you all to buy this particular book because it has everything. It has the notes, you can see, of all the chapters, short notes for quick revision, and then you have all the types of questions. Okay, so I'll give you the link of this particular book. Here you will have all the MCQs, all the short answer type questions, difference between, explain the term, give reasons, sketch and label the diagram based questions. Everything is available. I have also made a detailed video of the contents of this book. So go ahead and make your own lovely notes.